Is your Samsung phone suddenly silent, leaving you out of touch with calls, notifications, and your favorite tunes? Let's get that sound back up and running with these essential troubleshooting steps. First, let's tackle the simplest solution. Check your volume levels. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access the quick panel, and ensure that your media, ringtone, and notification volumes are all turned up. Sometimes a simple adjustment here is all it takes. Next, we'll dive deeper into the sound and vibration settings. Head to your phone's settings app, then tap on sound and vibration here. You can check if your phone is accidentally in silent mode or vibration mode. Make sure it's set to sound. While you're in sound and vibration, look for options related to app sound permissions. Some apps might not have the necessary permissions to produce sound. Review these to ensure everything is in order. A common culprit for no sound is an unintended Bluetooth connection. Go to your phone's settings, then Bluetooth, and temporarily turn it off to see if your phone's speaker starts working again. If it does, you might have a connected device or a persistent Bluetooth issue. Now, let's check app-specific issues. Navigate to apps in your settings menu. Find any app where you're experiencing the sound problem, tap on it, and then go to storage. From there, try clearing the cache for that specific application. A quick restart can often resolve many temporary software glitches. Press and hold the power button, and select restart. Once your phone powers back on, test the sound again. If the problem persists, outdated software might be the cause. Go to settings, scroll down to software update, and check for any available updates. Installing the latest firmware can fix audio bugs. For speaker-related issues, it's worth checking the charging port for any dust or debris that might be obstructing the sound. Gently use a soft brush or compressed air to clean it out. If none of these steps work, and you've confirmed the volume is up and Bluetooth is off, it might indicate a more serious hardware issue with your speaker. You could try playing audio from a different app or making a test call to further diagnose if the problem is isolated to one app or system-wide. By following these steps systematically, you can effectively troubleshoot and fix most sound issues on your Samsung phone, ensuring you never miss a beat.